Hey, hi, and welcome to the 5 Minutes Friday. I think you all wonder what this stuff is doing on my bench. Well, I think I'm gonna explain to you in this episode how I cast molds with some gypsum-like products, and I want to tell you something about the products I use. So stay tuned because it starts after the break. Well, yeah, I meant after the intro, more or less. So what do we need? Molds, of course. And I have lots of them. Some kind of release agent. I use the one from Minitech. Stuff to pour, pretty important, I think. And I use mainly Keraflot and VTech Salan for this. A kitchen thingy so you know how much you need in grams, kilos, or whatever. Cups to put stuff in when we measure, and mixing bowl kind of rubbery thing. And we need waxing spatulas. Funny, but they are pretty convenient when you need to stir something. And almost forgot, water. Yeah, well, not this bottle, but just regular tap water. The bottle is a leftover and still one without return money. So first of all, we pour water in the cup, 100 grams. Yeah, still a metric guy, you know. A bit more is okay. The same trick with the casting powder. Instead 100, we add 300 grams and a bit to the cup. The ratio would be 1 in 3, I think. Something like that. And then it's time to prepare the molds. We spray a little bit of release agent in the molds, spread it with a brush, a large one, over the entire mold, you know. I think soapy water will do the trick too. And then we pour water in the cup. Slowly adding the casting powder, stirring a little bit. You know, slowly I said. And start stirring. You know, gently. Stirring. Like James said, stirred, not shaken. And after we stirred thoroughly, we pour it in the molds. Easily, just like that. And we start filling up everything to the desired heights. Well, I tap a little bit because my bench is not that sturdy. And then I grab the big spatula thing, you know, and flatten the tops of the molds to the desired height. Set my timer on my phone to half an hour, and after half an hour it should be okay to release the castings from the molds. Easy, eh? So we can release them all, you know. So, now I can do the same thing with this Keraflot. It's the same drill. So, well, I ain't gonna show it. Thank you all for watching. You know the drill. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. And in the next episode, we're gonna paint this stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye.